What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna start working on the K20, and today we're just gonna go ahead and take off the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and he already started by taking off the crank pulley because we have to change the crank seal, and then we're gonna change out the VTEC solenoid gasket because those are known to leak. And then I think he said something. What is this? The screen?
Yeah, the VTEC solenoid screen.
Oh, the VTEC solenoid screen.
Oil pressure switch.
And then the oil pressure gasket?
Seal.
Seal? Yeah.
Gasket, yeah.
So yeah. And one of the no, it's just the nuts off. Yeah. One of the nuts were stripped. Wasn't from us. But yeah, we already got that off. So let's see. Already put in the new crank seal, and then I believe we're gonna take off the exhaust manifold next. And look at that. The crank pulley is pretty dirty. So let's see how clean I could get it. Let's go. So I got this a little clean, and it's coming back to its shiny state, but we're not gonna go ahead and clean it all the way to its shiny metal finish, but this will do for now. And he took off the VTEC solenoid. Let me see. Ew. Oh, it's leaking. Yeah. It is pretty nasty. And he was also saying that it looked like it's running pretty rich. So if we look inside there, yeah, it's pretty nasty. Yeah, pretty nasty in there. So he's just getting it cleaned up as much as he can. But I think I'm gonna start and take off the stuff around the intake manifold, or leave as much as I can, but try to take off the manifold. Alright, so it's been about a couple or few months since I recorded that last video, and I didn't get a chance to take off the intake manifold. We've been busy.
But in order to take the manifold off, take off the water housing. In order to take the water housing off, you gotta take off the thermostat housing. In order to take the thermostat housing off, you gotta take off the starter. In order to take the starter off, you gotta take off the throttle body. All for an intake manifold.
Well, yeah, he did all that. But I didn't get a chance to record it. So we're here now. We're cleaning the block because it's pretty nasty, right, as you guys can see. But yeah, so I think a few months ago I went ahead and bought a Hondata thermal gasket, and should be better for intake temperatures and all that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean the block as much as we can, because yeah, we want this thing clean before we put it in. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and cleaned the water pump housing, and it looks pretty good. So he went ahead and put some Honda bond around the whole thing, because these K series, they like a lot of silicone. Hey, that's my apple. And yeah, so he's gonna go ahead and put that on. He's gonna put on the intake manifold on. I don't remember if I showed you guys that we got an RBC manifold, but we have one, but we're not gonna put it on yet due to why? What?
I was supposed to put the manifold on first.
Oh.
Jeez, dude.
Oh, well.
Take 3.
Take 3. Give me 1 second, guys. We have, as you can see, the intake manifold on, water pump housing, starter, and throttle body. So now we're just waiting for Noah to finish up cleaning our injectors. And I think my dad's gonna go ahead and take off all the harness because we can't use, I guess we can't use, what was it, 04 to 06? Was it 0406?
0506.
0506. Wiring for smog, we had to use 0204.
It's not even for smog, it's just to run the computer.
Oh, actually, well, yeah, to run the computer. And, and the speed sensor.
You gotta get that soon.
Well, we gotta get the conversion. We still have a lot of things to get, but anyways, yeah, we have to take the whole harness off. Should be pretty easy. It looks like it's just all right here. But yeah, so honestly, I might just end it on this and make like a part 2 or whatnot. But yeah, I might do that. So if you guys like this content, or well, get ready for the upcoming content of the K-swap build, go ahead and subscribe and turn that notification bell on for more content like this or other content with either the S1000, Rex, or possibly the Integra. And yeah, until next time, peace.